Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing and setting up your app, time manipulation, action automation for workflow. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then click on Install and head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Once you're done installing your app, refresh the tab and you head over to the custom page, click on it. The interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started. The app is right in here. You have the tutorial video that is going to guide you on how to set up your app. We have the app set up. Here the app has been connected. No worries, let's walk you through how to connect and configure your app. Click on the Start Setup button and insert a professional email. Then you click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully connected and set up. We have the Support Center where you'll be able to create a ticket for the team and book a call with the support team. We have a change log feature where you're going to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive email, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.